The Fistbump Fundraiser is a bike event created to support the International Cancer Advocacy Network. ICAN is a nonprofit organization that provides direct navigation and advocacy services to cancer patients and their families. In the cancer world, fist bumps are often used between patients to promote not only a healthier form of greeting, but also to express bonding and unity. The second annual Fistbump Fundraiser took place August 25th on beautiful country roads in central New York. Riders from near and far came together to complete either a 30 or 60-mile loop. We enjoyed a perfect weather day, and except for some leg cramps, no injuries. The fellowship continued at Myers Creek Brewing Company in Cazenovia to celebrate. With the goal of raising $50,000 to support ICAN, our incredible team raised over $71,000.
So I call what we have here the little engine that could. In the overall scheme of things, we're a small community tucked away here in upstate New York, and yet we're making a big difference.
To our bikers, thank you for contributing your time to train and participate in the ride. We are grateful for the camaraderie and community you provided. To our volunteers, thank you for your extensive planning and for making sure we had everything to safely get through our ride. We could not have done it without you. And finally, to our donors, your support is actively changing lives for those diagnosed with rare cancers, allowing them to advocate for their own care with the guidance of ICAN professionals. The money raised goes to support both short-term efforts like promoting the highest quality of life and long-term solutions like targeted fundraising of select research projects. Thank you for your kindness and generosity. We are truly helping to extend lives for these patients. We look forward to continuing to improve and expand the Fistbump Fundraiser for many years to come.
And that's our goal here. We're up to solving the exon 20 problem, and then once we solve that, we're going to move on to the next disease, the next cancer.
If you would still like to donate or join our team of rockstar individuals, Google search Fistbump Fundraiser or visit our website listed below. Thank you from the Exon 20 team.